Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start with the next uh, mm, course or next module we can say, that build an application to send chat prompts using the Gemini model. Mm. So we have done the first two modules and the videos are on my channel. Please check it out. Let's start this lab. Click on start lab button. It will split it. Alright, it's been loading. First we have to just, it's same like the previous two modules as well. Like first we have to click on file, new file, and copy paste this, then save with the given name. As you all know that I explained the code after doing all this stuff. So send chat without stream.py is the name of a file. Okay, so before executing, let's see, we have imported a lot of things over here. First is Gen AI from Google, then in types there are HTTP options, model content part, user content. We have also done logging and GCP logging. uh, There are a lot of things like we have used GCP. GCP is Google Cloud Platform. So basically what we are doing over here, like in the previous lab also, not in previous lab but in the previous course when we were uh, using APIs or anything on the Google Cloud. So that is the main GCP uh, client. So we are getting the access of that through this code. Uh, these are the details which we get every time when we start this lab. And this is the API version which we are using for HTTP options. I exactly don't know what HTTP options is, but we are using Gemini 2.0 Flash 001, which is the model which we were using in the past few labs as well. Um, mm, so this is we created a history array where user content is like hello and model content is great to meet you. What would you like to know? The response is what what are all colors in a rainbow? And another response is why does it appear in when it rains? So first we'll just run this code in the terminal. Click on the green button or just copy this command and paste it in this terminal. Anything works. All right. Let's see. So there are few more things which we have over here because I saw that something came like something failed or I don't know. I read it wrong or something. But okay, so basically it gave the first response to first question, which was what are all the colors in the rainbow. So it gave the WebGear. Then you can remember them with acronym Roy G. Biv. It's WebGear, like uh, but in the reverse order. I remember them like this, like violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Then it also answer replied to this question, which is why does it appear when it rains? So there is a complete answer. So next time you see rainbow, you will know it's not just rain, but rain and sunlight working together to create the beautiful display. So cloud logging handler shutting down cannot send logs entry to cloud logging due to inconsistent threading behavior. This is something which we This is what I was talking about. Failed to send one pending logs. So this is something which we are going to overcome now. So chat response with the stream. So in the first code, we were using Gemini 2.0 Flash model on Vertex AI. The code calls send message method, which was where was it? I don't know where, and they didn't even mention the send message method, I guess, in the code. So something might be wrong. Okay, log Gemini model. Okay, or is there anything? I don't see any send message method over here, but mm, okay. Oh, sorry. They are using this send message method in chat dot send message. So this is this method is used in loaded with Gemini module, which we are using. So Gen AI model. Okay. So this is what they are talking about. So to use this uh, method, we have to import this. All right, and then the code uses Gemini's ability to chat. It uses the text provided in the prompt to chat. Chat responses using stream. Now we'll explore the chat responses using stream. Create new file to get the chat response using stream. So we are going to create a new file over here. We are going to paste this snippet. Mm, Just paste it. And now copy this file name and click on save. Over here you have to just paste the file name, click on save again. Alright, when you see the colors are changed, this it means the file has been saved. Alright, so what we are doing here, similarly we have imported few things. Below is cloud logging code for quick labs. Alright, Vertex AI is true. These are all the credentials. Everyone might have different credentials. Then again we're using the same model. Response text is not given over here, but for chunk and chat send message stream, we are what are all the colors in the rainbow? And okay, so now we are going to stream the message. Let's click on run. All right, you can see just we got the answer straight away. So again, we are using Gemini's pre-trained AI model, which is Gemini 2.0 Flash. Then the code calls the send message stream method of the loaded Gemini model. And the code uses Gemini's ability to understand prompts and have stateful chat conversation. So you guys can try it yourself with different prompts and it will give you answers. So these are two methods basically, send message stream and send message. So we are using these two methods in this module. All right, after clicking on check my progress, we got the green tick and assessment has been completed. So we can end a lab now. We also got 100 marks. So yes, we can end our lab now. Click on end lab and it's done, guys. We got a green tick over here as well. Thank you for watching this video and hope you like this video. We'll be uploading more and more videos as soon as possible. Once again, I would like to apologize for the delays in the videos. Lot of people has been asking me that there have been few problems as well. I didn't able to solve them. I haven't seen the comment section in a while, so Let's see. Um, Thank you once again.